Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to define our next tense, which is present perfect tense. If we talk about its main definition, so it is an action, it is a tense which shows any action which has been completed perfectly in your present. Any action which has been done, like in the end we can use full stop. The action has been perfectly done in present. It is a present perfect tense. For example, if I say I watched TV, it means the action of watching TV has been perfectly done in present. Completely पूरा action जो present में हो गया, that is called present perfect tense. And now if we talk about this Urdu identity, if you are a student who can understand Urdu or Hindi, so you can take these type of desi hints for making remember in your mind कि आपने इसको कैसे याद करना है. Any tense which ends in चुका है, चुकी है, ले लिया है, दे दिया. For example, मैंने काम कर लिया या कर चुका हूँ, both are the same. It is present perfect tense. So any action which has been done, identity would be चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, या ले लिया, दे दिया, कर लिया. And if we talk about its helping verb, we will have two helping verb, has and have, and with verb we will always use third form of verb. Remember this thing in your mind and keep it intact, that if there is any tense which has a word perfect, present perfect, past perfect or future perfect, any tense which has a word of perfect, you will have to use only third form of verb in it, as I have mentioned 3 tenses already. So same like that, in present perfect we will use third form of verb, and with singular we will use has as a helping verb, and with plural we will use have as a helping verb. Now let's see an example. Ali ने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया. It means the action of passing the exam has been done in present. So this is present perfect tense. उसने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया है. So it is present perfect once you have decided that the tense respectively, the tense is present perfect. So come to your formula and simply apply that 4-point helping verb, verb, singular, plural. Once you have decided, the tense is your present perfect. So Ali ने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया. Ali is a singular, so Ali has, with singular we are using has. Ali has passed the exam. For making interrogative, we will use has Ali passed the exam, and for negative we will use Ali has not passed the exam. Remember this point as well, that for making interrogative it is a universal rule. In all the active or passive tenses we have to bring only the helping verb in start of the sentence. I have done, have I done. He will go, will he go. He is going, is he going. So simply bring your helping verb in start of the tense and it will become interrogative. And for making negative, remember this point, that you have to add only not with your respective helping verb. Whatsoever helping verb you have got in that tense, has, have, do, does, did, is, am, are. So you have to add only not with your helping verb, whatsoever tense is that, as I have told you. So basically this was our present perfect tense, and I taught you about making interrogative and negative as well. Remembered its identity, and if you are a Desi student, so you can take help from the Urdu identities as well and then apply that formula. I think that structure would be really helpful for you as far as learning tenses are concerned. Thank you very much.